How to add or remove guided access in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top right hand corner. Now in the control center, tap on the add button. Then we go down and tap on add a control. Next, in the control list, scroll down to the accessibility section. In the accessibility section, tap on guided access, and that will get added to your control center. After that, swipe up, then swipe up again to go back to the home screen. Now, when you want to quickly open up guided access, you just need to pull down the control center and then tap on it. And that will allow you to quickly open up guided access, which you can turn on or switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.